Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give yourself OP in Aternos server. So, as you can see now, I'm on a server, and now I am not OP'd. For example, if I were writing down /time set or anything, I don't have the access. Even game mode, creative, I don't have the access. So how can I get the access to myself that I can be an operator slash admin in this Minecraft server? So at the moment, we need to get away from the spider. So I'm just gonna disconnect. As you can see, this is the server, and I'm going to open my browser and go to aternos.org. Click on the server that you want to give yourself OP in it. For example, this is for me. And here on the left, you'll find this menu. Choose players, and here you will find a list of menus: whitelisted, OPs, banned players, and banned IPs. Click on the OPs one, and simply now you have to write down your name. So let's join the server and check our name, which is Lowly. So I'm gonna go ahead and click right here and write down my name. Add, and as you can see, I have given myself OP, and now if I am fast enough, I can give myself creative, and now I am an admin in this Minecraft server. So yeah guys, that was it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.